Hi, my name is Santiago Valdez. I work with RE/MAX Signature North. Been doing real estate for about 6 years now. One of the reasons I love Chicago is its many neighborhoods. We're right now in Old Norwood Park. It's known for its windy roads and beautiful streets. We're on the 6800 block of Thorndale. Most of the houses over here have very deep lots. This is a 200 deep lot. This house sits on double lots, 50 wide. All the houses around here are gorgeous, including this one. It was built in 1895. Beautiful example of a Victorian house. We're very close to public transit, huge park very close by, and within the district, the school system is excellent. We're in a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath, 2 half bath house. It sits on 3 stories plus a basement, really nice ceiling height, living room, 2 dining areas, a family room, a nice open kitchen, and of course the beautiful backyard. On the master bedroom, it's a 2-story master suite with jacuzzi, a separate shower, a nice beautiful deck that overlooks the yard. Not only is the yard very deep and very wide and beautiful, it's beautifully landscaped. The house is very spacious. One of the nice things about it is the really nice ceiling height and the openness that you see throughout. Lots of open windows, so it brings light from all directions. Lots of space, family room combined with a living room, combined with a dining room, and that just flows right into the kitchen. A 2-sided fireplace that can be enjoyed from the dining area and the kitchen area. Another beautiful thing about the house, it's its beautiful hardwood floors, also wood accents throughout the house. It's great for anyone and it can easily accommodate a large family. Feel free to contact me at my cell phone. It's 773-858-2410 or go to my website directly at www.mainchicago.com. Thank you.